Meaning of driving.
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 Driving. Driving refers to the act of operating a vehicle and controlling its movement in order to reach a destination. It involves using various controls such as the steering wheel, accelerator, and brakes to navigate roads safely and efficiently. Driving can have several outcomes, including transportation of people or goods, enjoyment of the driving experience, or participation in motorsports. It also comes with responsibilities such as obeying traffic laws, being aware of other drivers and pedestrians, and maintaining a safe and roadworthy vehicle. Overall, driving is an important skill that enables personal mobility and contributes to social and economic development.